Hi, welcome to ZKTeco. We are so excited to have you come visit us. Join me for a quick sneak peek of the building before your arrival. All right, the first stop is our entrance. It has all of the 50 states flags, and right over there is the check-in kiosk. You'll check in right there using the QR code you received the day of your appointment. Next up, we're at our Experience Center, and right behind you is going to be our tech support and our marketing team. So through these turnstiles will be our hands-on experience. Let's keep going. All right, here we are in our Experience Center. All of our display counters have all of our devices powered up, ready for you to try them out. And behind me, we have our symbolic egg, where we're hatching new ideas all the time. Come on, let's keep going. Right, next up, we are at our warehouse. So we have our middle warehouse right over here, and this is where we plan on doing our light assembly workstations. And if we continue this way, this is our back warehouse. We keep all of our stock, our inventory, and you can see it all behind me. Let's keep going. All right, so looping back to the front of the building, this is where the magic happens. We'll find the management team and the sales staff. All right, let's go back to the lobby. All right, thanks for joining me. We can't wait to meet you.